Hi, welcome to this review of KCEX. KCEX is an exchange where you can do spot trading and also futures trading on metals, crypto, and some other altcoins and meme coins, etc. Now, the good thing about KCEX is very good for scalping because there's zero fees. So you can trade and enjoy the zero trading fees, meaning that you can use high leverage as well, and your fees are still going to be very, very minute. So, very good exchange. Also, I want to talk quickly about the user interface. The actual app I've been using for a while, it's very, very fast, a very low latency, meaning that if you do a market order of BTC or whatever we're trading, it's very, very fast. You can close the trade very fast, and you can just have a look at the fees. They're like nothing. So something very interesting. Probably the lowest fees in the industry right now. So go and check out KCEX. Let's cover some of the features on KCEX. So you do have spot trading, like your traditional spot trading. Fees are low again, but well, we really want to cover this section here. So this is under the market section. So this actually gives you information, the same information you're going to be looking at on third-party platforms. Everything is built into KCEX plus AI, and we'll come to that in a second. So you got your market data. Here's a sentiment, dominance, fund flow, public blockchain, market index. Let's go to information. So you got AI analysis information, same on the app as well. It's giving you a lot of information on what the markets are happening, oil, everything you actually need, even in the Eurozone. Now, one thing that I do like about this is the ETFs. So it gives you the ETF on BTC, the inflows and the outflows, and you can see what's going on with that. It's called prediction markets as well. I'm not going to go into that. Smart money, where money is really going into what assets. I mean, look at this. You've got inflows on this, IMX, crypto, outflows on some other ones. So it's a good information it actually gives you, and it's updated very, very fast. So very good on the KCEX to provide that. Now, if we go to the actual derivative perps and derivatives market, we can see that I've set this up on 4 screens. So I've got BTC, Ethereum, silver, and gold. So I like to see everything, and you can change this around. You can actually change this around, have whatever you want. So they do actually cover a lot of um, altcoins as well as meme coins, perps decks, metals, also BSC Chinese meme. I don't know what that is, but you can go and check it out. GameFi, DeFi base, etc. But let's cover this bit here. So if we go to information, it just gives you information about the actual altcoin and white paper and everything. But right now it's on BTC, but you can actually select an altcoin, and it will give you the information, website, official uh, white paper, social media. That's pretty cool as well. But if we go to trading data, you can actually see the open interest. You can see the liquidation map. This is really good, the liquidation map. You'd use a third party software. So you got the liquidation map. You actually got the heat map as well. Let it load up. So you got the heat map. Everything's really built in, and you obviously have a news section as well. Now, this is the AI side of things, which is very, very impressive. We can see that we did have last night some bad news in the markets, and the markets are a bit down at the moment, and we may see that continue. That's why I'm short on BTC at the moment and a few other assets. So you can actually see that the AI does give you a lot of news, and it's very, very fast, so go and check that out. But the way I like the most is if we go back to the actual chart and we go to, where is it? AI. So you go into AI, you will see that it's analyzing everything, and it should come up with us with a suggestion or a setup. So at the moment it's saying short. See, I'm short as well. I'm actually short as well. That's pretty cool. So it's actually showing you short, on intraday. But if you go into the hour, probably will tell you something else. Because if you're trading on an hourly time frame, there is a bit of a mean reversion trade present right now, which I'm not taking. I don't have time to take that. But it's just analyzing everything. No, it actually tells you to sell. So I was actually wrong. So it's actually picked up the short as well on the intraday and also on the 1 hour. So obviously, this is not financial advice. You don't blindly just take trades off any AI, So I would basically do your own research. I'm not a financial advisor, so I can't tell you what to do. You got to do your own research. But all I'm saying is that the AI is quite impressive, and you should go and check that out. Okay, so a lot of features on this exchange. Use the app, and you can see, and like I said, they got low fees. Now, KCEX is doing an amazing offer. So the link to this offer is in the description of this video, and they're actually doing a daily rewards pool. The more you trade, the more you can earn back. Yeah, for every active trader. Okay, they can share a rewards pool. There's also exclusive for new users, 470 USD trading reward. Register with my referral link, complete verification, and your first trade, and get a $470 reward. There are terms and conditions. Please read them as well. And the more you trade on there, the more you will actually get back as rewards. So that's pretty good as well. So they're looking after their customers, traders. That's all I have for you. I am going to be doing a strategy video that's coming out on the weekend, and we will be covering some KCEX in there where I've taken some trades, why I've taken those trades, and why I've chosen that type of leverage in comparison to swing trading. I'm a day trader. I want to be in and out. I don't want exposure overnight. And this is a good exchange because the fees are low. I can go very aggressive. So there is a strategy video coming out over the weekend. Check that out. The link to KCEX is in the description of this video. Take advantage of that offer as well. Great exchange. I'll see you soon. I'll see you on the next one.